Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. So today we have another special unboxing, and this time this watch I'm keeping. This is a watch I've been waiting for several months. It was actually supposed to come here in July, and unfortunately I left the same day that it was supposed to come. So I thankfully got contacted by the people from, show you the brand, Baltic, and they told me they could delay the shipping, which they did. First off, great way to package watch. You have here everywhere protection, Baltic on the box, Baltic on the other box. I'll keep this box for maybe sending one of the watches that I will be selling with, because it's a good box. And here we have the other box and another box. So in this box we get the, I think that's the, here we can see which watch it is, history of Baltic, the back side, front side, cleaning guarantee, and you get the guarantee here, metal card with a barcode, so pretty cool. Hopefully more companies, more watchmakers do the same thing, because it's a great idea. Oops, sorry about that. So if you do like this kind of content, it does help a lot. I know that 90% of my viewers are not subscribed, and the like button is free. So if you do like this content and want to support me, please do hit the like button and also subscribe, of course. So going back to the watch, here we go, and boom, we have the BR01 with the micro rotor. I just want to say this box is really nice. I really like this box. Definitely Baltic did a great job with the packaging and everything of this watch. So until now, it's 10 out of 10 for me. Let's see then what the watch will bring. First thing I notice, the micro rotor, rattly sound. It was to be expected, I guess. So this is a caliber 5000A, has 30 joules, running at 28H100, and regulated for 5 position, which is great for such a movement. So of course you can see this is made in Southeast Asia, East Asia, so maybe China, something like this, Hong Kong, and then assembled and quality controlled in France. And you have this beautiful dial, hand wind, kind of salmon dial, but at the same time has more or less darker hues than the normal salmon. I had this in and I sold it, so as you can see it's 36 in diameter, lug to lug is 44, and thickness just around 10 millimeters. You have a green strap with easy to take out spring bars, which are always welcome. I ordered this green leather strap because I thought it would look good on it. I'll take off my Nomos, which I really enjoy, and as you can see, my 10 lines on my watch, here it is. So definitely I was wearing my watch all the time while I was on vacation. Well, I think I'll keep it to a short unboxing and do a longer Baltic etched on the buckle. The strap goes quite well with it. Looks really nice. Feels also really nice. So what do you guys think about this watch? I really like it. I had actually an order blue first, and then my wife told me, "Oh, I like this one more. This looks really more interesting." And I thought, okay, I'll write Baltic. They were more than happy to accommodate for my color change. I even changed the color of the strap while afterwards as well. So definitely thankful for the people from Baltic. So let's see, we can set the time. It is 9:41. Good thing there is no date. Yeah, looks really nice. So, thank you everyone for watching. If you do like this kind of content, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos so you don't miss a notification from me. And of course, leave your comments below if you do like this watch, and if you do, which one is your favorite, which color, and which strap combination. Thanks again, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, everyone.